Hi everyone, this is Jennifer Serber, and this is my first video for the 5 new technologies. As I was researching for my target audience, which is kindergarten to 3rd grade, I came across these really fun Yoo-Hoo videos. And what caught my attention were the brain break videos. I believe that all kids need some time throughout the day to stretch, and I think brain break videos are a great way to incorporate that and to get their wiggles out. So a few of the brain break videos are Would You Rather? And then they also have true or false ones like I have here. So I'm going to just show you this first true or false video. And when you see down here, there is a question. It says, Australia is wider than the moon. The students will have 10 seconds to decide whether it's true or false. And then after they decided, they'll do a physical activity for the next 20 seconds. Once that 20 seconds is up, they will then provide the answer to the question. So as I was looking through these videos, I decided I wanted to do a little more research behind the Yoo-Hoo videos. And I actually found out that these videos were created by 4 teachers, and the reason why is because they wanted to promote more physical activity and mental health awareness into the classrooms. If you go up above here to the playlist, they offer a lot of different videos as well. They offer this mindfulness minutes, and what it is, it's a calming breathing exercise, which would be really great in the classroom to use for body regulation and just to settle the energy within your classroom. Also, they have some other fun little workout videos that you can use in the classroom. They also have Yoo-Hoo Kids, which are songs. And one of the videos I saw and I really liked was a hello song. So they say hello in English and then they incorporate other different languages, which I thought was really great. Another great video they offer are read alouds, and she takes time to read books to the kids that talk about their body and health. So all in all, I just thought these were some great videos that teachers could use within the classroom to promote mental health, physical health, content knowledge. So I just wanted to share these with you.